Finding the Voices talk show by Monica Iguodam.
Huge fan of Finding the Voice.
You're doing a great job for Manipur.
Manipur bu prithivida masak takpa
Good positive voices and make those voices more visible.
Wanted our voice to reach in all the corners of the world.
Interesting people.
Been finding
voices on
People from our own place.
Interest of the Gahina, interest of
share positive stories and inspiring stories and bring out the good stories of Manipur.
Finding the Voices.
Welcome to Finding the Voices. Right now we are at Priest Home in Mantripukke, Imphal, and we have Reverend Father Joseph Kacharamatam. First of all, I would like to thank you, Father, for accepting our invitation to be interviewed for Finding the Voices. In this interview, we are hoping that you would share about Manipur, about your experience while you are here for 58 years.
It is a long journey, from going back to the memory lane. It is so many things happen, but especially what happened. My first experience in the Manipur was very, for me, it's something new, quite different from other parts of India. So it was very striking for me that the moment I came into Manipur, in the year 1958, July 27th, is striking in my mind. I never forget that day, because memorable day. So everything is new for me. Asuka from South.
But was it your first assignment after you became a priest?
After
coming to Manipur, was it your first assignment after you became a priest, or you were?
I was already as a priest in from South,
From South.
I volunteered to come here. So first came into Imphal Chimerong because there was an appeal from Manipur north, especially northeast. The diocese of Dibrugarh. Dibrugarh diocese, Manipur, Nagaland, part of Assam belong to that diocese. So one bishop, under that bishop, Manipur was only a mission station. So the Italian fathers were working here. There two had Indian citizenship, one without Indian citizenship, European, Italian without Indian citizenship. He was asked to leave Manipur within 3 years. So you are not allowed to move out of Imphal town, 58 onwards. So they felt the need one Indian personnel to come to Manipur. So bishop came and appealed to, we need Indian personnel here. We want to work, we are not allowed to stay. So South India, there are many priests. Why not to come?
So at that time, the Italian priests, Catholic priests were in Imphal.
Already Imphal, already 3 priests were there. That is two Italian priests had Indian citizenship. For Veliko and for Bianchi, two fathers, they had Indian citizenship, they got it. So they could remain. But one did not, George Vendiroli, Italian priest, he did not have Indian citizenship. So he was not allowed to move out. He was quite young and quite well prepared. He learned Manipuri also, language. But the 1950, he came to Manipur 57. 58, he was not allowed to move out of Imphal town. That was the problem. So I had to, they waited for a priest to come, appealed. I had responded. I came here. The very day itself, when I came, I was asked to take some duties to do, priestly duties, and started work. And within 2, 3 days, afterwards you are taken to mission area. The first journey was he wanted to introduce me to Sugnu area. Sugnu, then that is one area. Then Churachandpur area. This Manipur South was asked me, you have to go. I understood it because nobody else helped to go. So, but it was like pushing me into the sea. To swim, learn how to swim.
swim.
Nobody else to guide. No, supposed to
So
guide.
you were the first Indian citizen to work in Manipur.
Exactly.
Oh,
First Indian to come to Manipur.
okay.
Yes.
Because the other, out of the 3 priests, the other 2 were Italian, but they got Indian citizenship.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they could remain. For
So how old were you when you
they
came?
were at that time over 50, 60, like that one.
No, about you,
Myself.
father. Yes.
I was 32 years
32
old.
years old. Okay. So you then first went to Sugnu.
Yeah.
Okay.
Introduced to me to Sugnu.
Sugnu. Okay. So can you share your experience of your early
So,
times in Sugnu?
So first from Imphal, Chimerong, Don Bosco, Chimerong was our center.
Center.
From there, from there as center, it started journey to Sugnu. There was road was there, but very, jeepable
mud
road
road.
actually.
Like a mud road.
Yeah, like that, stony. But 59, the year 59, I got a motorcycle.
Yeah, I heard that you were riding a Royal Enfield.
The first money.
Yes, I read about that. So you were driving a Royal Enfield and you were going to all the places.
Exactly. Still that mark is there.
That is
fell
so
down
cool.
here.
Oh, okay.
Still the whole, so many years ago, no?
Okay.
That was I think it's 63, my journey to Churachandpur. With my motorcycle, new one. That evening, I started my journey from Imphal. Before reaching Nambol, that the accident took place. It is reason is people are going with the things on the head for marketing, for selling and all. So 4 or 5 women is blocked the road like it's going together. I phoned from behind. They were startled. They never heard about motorcycle sound at that time.
Okay.
So they 2 went to one side, another went to another side. So blocked. So I had to, I was coming in good speed. So I had to give a sudden break without hurting them. So I was thrown out from the motorcycle to the Nala, there down.
Okay.
Luckily there was no stone on the mud.
Okay.
A head hit,
Okay.
and it had a very forceful hit, but there was luckily no stone. So I got injury, about 6-inch cut, and I was fainted down there, bleeding and lying down there like that.
Okay.
And the Nala, it was getting dark also. At that time, God sent man, I should say, that Samaritan.
Because no cell phone that time. You
Nothing,
didn't have.
nobody. One bus came from south, from Imphal, coming from Madras, I think.
Okay.
One special bus. With that one, a person, young person from Churachandpur. He went for a course in Madras. After finishing, he came. His name is John Jakai at Gandhi.
Okay.
Youngster, you are a very educated person.
Okay.
Youngster, but he wanted my motorcycle at that time, no? He wanted to buy. I said, I cannot part with this. I have only one.
Because that was your means of
So he knew my
transportation.
motorcycle.
Oh, he recognized it. That's
the
why
color,
he got
everything.
down.
So he said, it is for Mattams. So he stopped the bus and got down from the bus and searched for me. So he found my heart all bleeding. And therefore, so he came down and picked me, carried me up on his shoulder, and brought to the hospital dispensary in Nambol.
In Nambol, okay.
The bus reached there, and he allowed his luggage to go to Churachandpur, and then remain with me in the,
Okay.
the hospital, the dispensary, and looking what to do. I was already fainted, no?
Yes, yes.
So when they put me on the table, iron table, I came to my
Senses.
senses,
Okay.
recovered. I mean, so I can conscious, fully conscious. Then I heard they are speaking, what shall I do? Like that. So and then I said, please go and inform Don Bosco Chimerong. They will come and take me.
Okay.
Like that.
Okay.
So he said, don't worry, Father, I will go. So he came back and took my motorcycle.
Okay, and he went with that.
And instructed he could go. With that, he came back to Don Bosco Chimerong.
Okay.
First, he came to Little Power. So he said to go to Don Bosco, inform them.
Okay.
So Don Bosco, one father was already January. It is month of January.
Oh, so
very
quite
cold.
cold also.
When Kachi father was there, he was startled. What to do? We can. Said, Father, don't wait. Come, shall go quickly. So Don Bosco, yes, he had a school bus. With that school bus, no driver. Then he said he knew how to drive. He took the driving.
Okay.
And came the main road. Then our driver came, my Manipuri, Manipuri, our own driver, came and took up driving and reached Nambol.
Okay. Okay. So that's how you were rescued.
From there he carried him, that Donjakai Gandhi, that young man, took me in his hand and put me in the bus, our school bus, and rushed to Impal Chimero, to Impal Center Hospital. There was a hospital was there, no?
Okay.
Center Hospital, District Hospital, the first one in Manipur. There, I was brought and put in the hospital, casualty. Then the doctors are checking up everything. I knew the doctor, director, DMO, Aramo.
Okay.
He was Dr. Gopal Singh.
Dr. Gopal.
So he father done, because he knew him, I know him. So after checking thoroughly and X-ray taken, there is no skull injury, only external cut only.
So you were
So
lucky.
luckily, then they put stitches. They put 6 stitches, every inch, one like that, up to here.
Okay.
That was then bandage in my hand also was, thumb was also fractured. That was a bandage and put plastic. Then like that is when like this, and the head bandage. Then he came, took me back to Don Bosco Chimerong. There and he remained there. And I removed my cassock and everything, put on new one, and bleeding. It was all blood stain removed out. Then he said, Father, after we sat together, like this together, Father, do you know me? He asked me. Said, I do not know you.
Okay.
Then he said, the one who asked your motorcycle?
Yeah.
Yes, I know, that person. I am that person.
Okay.
And like that introduced. And
Okay.
the whole, he had a nice 1 or 2 hours talk about introducing. I am not a Catholic, but I know you. I like very much your mission and all. Like that. That was and he, on the following day only he came away, no? So that was, he's like a God-sent person. So in according to Bible, that's Jesus told a story, Good Samaritan story. It's a stranger, not very much related,
But then came at the right time.
Samaritan. In time, God's providence arranged, and he came and helped me like an angel, you must say.
So that was one
That
grave
was-
incident in Manipur.
Monica, finding the voice.
Voices. Finding the voices.
Finding the voice.
Ottawa Air Force kay sutta isellalero da imagine kan nuwaita sa
I could see my father. Who came to meet my headmaster because he was unable to pay the fee. I'm sorry.
Board pipi there. Because we need such story for people to have faith in the government, in the system, that yes, it's working.
Let's bring peace in our home state, Manipur.
Who have got the job without bribery, they'll do justice to their job, and they will help raise the standard of Manipur.
Me machine creado. I adu paraga tingogi.
So can you share about what you did in Sugnu?
Sugnu, that
Because
was,
at that time there was
nobody would, only
nothing was
people
there.
here and there, only that. So I had to start moving this motorcycle from Impala. I had to go there and instruct, and then there are old Catholics from Burma. They migrated to Impala, to
from
Sugnu
Burma.
area, that is Sanopal district,
Okay.
So there are so many Chin Catholics who are there. They came, migrated, and after independence they stayed their own places. So Burma cut away. They cannot come from Burma.
Okay.
So with that, so they needed help, spiritual help, So you had to. That is Sugnu area was more Catholics, mostly baptized received faith from Burma. Kitchen Hills. So they migrated there, had to look after them. So I used to go to Sugnu area, Sugnu, and then tour all area, walking.
Okay, but at that time there was no church.
No,
or,
nothing
so
also. No,
it was you went and started, and that's
Ah,
how you built.
Yes.
Is that how the parish and
so
church got built in Sugnu?
And so he bought some land, found out some vacant land. People offered. We gave not much, not without much, very costly, cheaper. Some donations and things. That they want. If you want a center, offer land. That was my request.
Okay,
Then they want,
because
or
you
you
needed
want,
some
we'll
place
come.
to assemble.
Yeah. So they
meet.
request. They offered, or please come, and we offered our land. But they one sangam, one party, 1 acre like that, no. So you had enough land they offered. So we had a deal. Start a building. So where is the center? So we had a walled around, fenced around, and started building. One Pakka building, 2-story building was built, parish center, in Sugnu. There after building, everything is ready, then Bishop appointed me as a parish priest. Fully in charge, So officially appointed me as parish priest.
Okay.
Sugnu, St. Joseph's Parish.
St. Joseph's.
My name was patron saint of St. Joseph,
Yes.
St. Joseph patron saint of that parish. And then with that title started the parish, and I was appointed the first parish priest there.
Okay.
That was then adding one after another. Then then we have through all that area like that. So it was regular looking after the pastorally priestly work, school. We got together with that St. Joseph School also started.
Okay, then you started the school.
1964 started.
Okay.
65 we come. It was a thatched house in the beginning, bamboo shed and thatched house started first. No, then afterwards this place with the
tin.
Pakka building.
Pakka building with brick. Okay, so it started very humbly and
gradually. But suddenly, we must say, when people cooperated fully, all people, that also know that even the beginning, Protestant, all, Catholics and Protestant, Manipuri, all the villages together, they want to have a school.
Because there was no school.
They cooperated very well.
Okay.
And had plenty of students started coming. So we had these temporary sheds were built, that was replaced with the good Pakka buildings. That was gradual, but it was good. full support of the people. Because if people want, we are with God's help, everything. It is success, but it was a lot of hardship, difficulties, inconveniences
sure.
were there.
Because there was nothing, and Father had gone there and started from scratch
Yeah.
and built the parish, built the school. Was it a co-education? St. Joseph School?
St. Joseph's School.
Both boys and girls?
Yeah, boys and girls.
Okay, so till from kindergarten to class 10?
Class. After it proceeded to class 10. Now higher secondary also.
Oh, now higher secondary. Okay, okay. So in Sugnu, what is the ethnicity of people there?
Ethnically.
Yeah, ethnicity. Because in Manipur we have so many ethnic
all the
groups, right?
students are coming, all people. Christians, both Protestant, Catholics, and all are there. Different tribes also there. So many different tribes.
Yeah, that's what I was interested.
Jau, Cookies, then Moyol, Manshang, Anal, Chote, Marine. All these groups were there.
Okay.
So it's really so Catholic Church, they accept it because we are also not particular to one tribe, open to all.
Open to all.
So it was a
Okay.
Catholic in spirit.
Okay.
Also, all the tribes found happiness. In meeting and congresses, year by year, congresses come together, all the tribes come together with the one common language, and that is Manipuri law, no? Within 2 months, I learned read and write Manipuri at that time, no?
wow.
Now I forgot writing and all, forgot.
Oh, now you forgot. But that time you could write.
Talking, okay.
Okay.
No, thoroughly.
Okay.
So that Manipuri remain as a, should we say, the main language, and with that they interpret. I speak in Manipuri, they interpret their own tribal language, then
they interpret
like that.
Because they
The
were
interpreters.
having their own dialect.
Slowly I picked up little bit of tribal language also.
Okay.
That because that is one area, no? Because there are so many tribes. The Manipuri law was very
Limited.
helpful. Because Mayol, Monshang, Nanal, all they knew Manipuri, so I could communicate directly.
Okay.
So it was very good for me. It was a hardship, but a lot of problems, but things we could do because our work is, people wanted me to do that. With their cooperation, we do, I think, but it involves a lot of inconvenience because now communication, only one motorcycle for 8 years I was using that, and by that time I already,
for 8 years.
my health was broken down.
Oh.
8 years using motorcycle, we cold, even cold and heat, and summer and rainy season. So many go to Churachandpur, come back. There are not only Sugnu, Churachandpur, Manipur South pass under, no?
Okay.
So it was really timely coming, but hardship was there, but too much work where nobody support. I got only my assistant helper, or George Kandathagara KC. He came 1965 only. So this 58 onwards up to 65.
Only one Indian
only
priest.
one priest, not to go.
Oh,
That
okay.
was,
And no brother,
no
and
brother,
no
nothing,
sisters?
nobody.
No sisters
No, even
also?
no proper helpers also.
Oh, okay. So that was
So
a
they had to
big...
train them afterwards, collected them and trained them 1 month training in the Imphal, and then they became helpers.
Okay.
Catechists we call,
Okay.
church
Catechists.
leaders, trained them and put them in different places. About Goodman is small LP school, junior school, UP school and up to junior high school. That was most of the centers we had started. With that, through education, through schools, they really could conduct. They also become experienced, learned people, proceeded to higher studies. So we are through the link Manipuri language and then through education, a community was formed, and because Catholic in spirit helped a lot for all the tribes. I used to say, if Catholics were to come earlier to Manipur, all the tribes should have been Catholic in spirit. The division not have come together, at least religious point of view and other point of view, unity would have been more than division. Here, still here is more divided in
In
mind and all.
spirit.
But it's a Catholic in spirit is open to all. Only one God, religious point of view, faith in God, God is only one, we are all His children, that attitude was. I wanted to share with other people.
But
that
when you went first to Sugnu, like, did you have any challenge? Like, how did the local people react? Like, was there any challenging time where they didn't want you because you are an outsider?
they are for me, since I picked up Manipuri also, no? Oh, you know Manipuri? Oh, you are been with us. So it was very, for me it was no obstacle as such, no? For the people, they are all cooperative. And earlier time also, there was no obstacle, no trial. Also, they are very helpful. Even I used to go motorcycle, I used to break down on the way. They come and push, help and push me and push the motorcycle up back to Chimerang, helping me. Don't go. They come and help. There's a lot of. For me, I found very cooperative. For our work also, we are also helping them. So I don't found not one person inimical to me as such, you know.
So what about the food?
Food.
Yeah.
Food was I had to change. I accepted once you accepted Manipur, whatever is given, I accepted. So I became that part of my life.
Okay.
Okay. And it's Manipuri my custom that Hiromba.
Was it spicy for you? In the beginning, spicy.
Yeah, used to like it.
Now you like it.
So no problem. That's good, no problem. Food, but whatever you get it, because he said, saying during his journey, lot of after walking 20, 30, 40 miles, become very hungry. So whatever you get,
it's very tasty.
Hunger is the best.
Yes,
the best source.
Yes, yes. When you're hungry, whatever you eat, you'll relish it, and it's very tasty.
That.
So, how many years were you there in Sugnu?
I was only up to 65. 67 January 31st. I left Sugnu.
Okay. Then after that, you went to
afterwards for George, K.C. George. My assistant became Parish
priest there. Okay.
And continue that work.
Okay. Then after that, where did you go?
After that, I was sent to Churichanpur. No, I came coming back. Leaving Sugnu is because of health broke down.
Oh.
I was an attack of pleurisy.
Oh.
Dry pleurisy. It was 1 month. I was had complete rest, under treatment. And Imphal.
Okay.
After I recovered, because by God's grace, by treatment, one Dr. Yogendra Singh in Imphal, he was my friend.
Okay.
He treated me.
Okay.
And the medicine I got it earlier in Sugnu, it was quite okay. But he continued. Since I had a very beginning itself, one sister, our religious sister, for working in Sugnu, she was a nurse, staff nurse. She gave me first time Thermicin, that is to control this infection.
Okay.
So it was very good. So controlled, but it became dry pleurisy. And continued in Imphal. What treatment? I fully recovered after 1 month.
Okay.
But became very weak.
Okay.
So doctor advised me to go 1 year rest. No, don't go. Never take motorcycle.
Because of all the wind, and you were always going in all these different kind of seasons.
So that way, so I had to go. From there, I could not go back to Sugnu. Sugnu, I could not remain there. Not work. Not able to. They had advised me. Go take a rest for 1 year. So my bishop allowed me to go home. I went to home, Kerala.